Hey there, how's everyone doing today? Today we're unboxing something a little different, as you could tell by this box and this bag. Well, maybe not the bag, but the box here. We are looking at a Pokémon BGD watch. Yes, Pokémon BGD. On the box here you can see we've got the Pikachu lightning bolts and Pokeballs all over it. Very cool presentation by G-Shock and BGD. Let's open this baby up. And here we go, more lightning bolts, and there we got Pikachu there behind the instruction booklet. There you go, there's your user guide, nice and thick. Alright, this model number is BGD560-1. Yes, it is a mouthful, but this is the Pokemon BGD watch. And inside it's got a cute little Pokeball box, very cool. Let's get it out of this other plastic bag. And again, very cool presentation with this box. Really unique. The first Baby G-Shock watch was released back in 1994, and this year, 2019, is the 25th anniversary of the Baby G-Shock watch. And here you could see me opening the Pokeball so we can take a look at this cool watch. So the 25th Pokemon in the Pokedex is actually Pikachu. So Pokemon and Baby G got together and made this cool watch to celebrate the 25th anniversary and the 25th Pokemon in the Pokedex. So let's take a look at the watch here. You can see it's like the original Baby G watch, and you got Pokemon written on the top, and look at this band full of lightning bolts, Pikachu lightning bolts, and little Pokeballs. And there on the back you could see little Pikachu in his digital pixelated form. Very cool. And there's a front look of the watch again. This watch, being a Baby G, is of course shock resistant and goes down 200 meters with water resistance, and it has got a black light with afterglow. And here we can see the band. It's very 90s inspired, since the original Baby G came in 94 with the Pokeballs and Pikachu lightning bolts. And if you look on the little loop, you will see a 25 marker there, and that is for the 25th anniversary. Here we can see the watch on a young woman's hand. And here, let's see, in the dark there is that backlight with afterglow. Very cool. You can see little Pikachu there. Thanks guys for taking the time to check out the video. Have a good one.